So thanks to our friends at E5, we've been donated these cable clips, 18th edition compliant by Linian clip. We've had our students on enrichment activity today fitting these clips, which you'll see in the video. Really sturdy clipping, really nice and neat, really easy to use. A huge recommendation. Cable run has been fitted by a level 1 student. The student's own words were, "I love them, I'd fit them again." Found it really easy to install, very quick, as it says on the packet, 3 times quicker. Very sturdy. We can literally pull on this and it isn't going anywhere. So well done, Linian cable clips.